In December 2009, the U.S. Senate consists of 60 Democrats, 40 Republicans. How many committees can be formed if each committee must have 3 Democrats and 2 Republicans? So this one is computed by looking at 2 groups at the same time, the group from the Democrat and the group from Republican. And these 2 independent from each other. For the group of Democrats, there are 60 of them. And then we're gonna select 3 people from Democrat, where the Republican has 40 people and select 2. Then we're gonna do the combination of the 60 selecting 3 for the possible way from the Democrat, multiplied by the combination of 40 people selecting 2 from the Republican group. If we use a formula, gonna be 60 factorial divided by 60 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Multiplied by 40 factorial divided by 40 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Again, you can simplify this to be 60 factorial divided by 57 factorial times 3 factorial, multiplied by 40 factorial over 38 factorial times 2 factorial. Again, if you okay with the formula in the calculator, it's going to be less complicated way to get the number out. That's what we're going to do, or I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to find the product of the combination of 60 people selecting 3. So going to be 60 as the n, and then go to math PRB, NCR, or the combination of the n selecting R, and the R for the Democrat group would be 3. Close parentheses and multiply by the quantity. The n from the Republican would be 40. Hit the math, the PRB, the NCR, or the combination formula, selecting 2 people from there, and then hit enter. Gonna give us a very high number, 26691,600. I'm gonna write it here. So 26691,600. That means there are 26 million, more than 26 million possible ways from selecting 3 people from 60 Democrats and 2 people from 40 Republicans. Another example that's similar to the previous one. How many different committees can be formed from 7 teachers and 9 students if the committee is to consist of 3 teachers and 4 students? So these 2 groups are independent from each other. So the teacher group and the student group, we have the total 7 teachers, and we select 3 from this group. For the group of the students, we have 9 people. We're gonna select 4, and the order makes no difference for this situation. Then we're gonna use the product of the combination of 7 selecting 3 for the possible way from the teacher group, multiplied by combination of the 9 selecting 4 for the possible ways from the student group, since these 2 independent from each other. So we're gonna multiply the possible ways from teacher and from the student group together. Let's use a calculator to take care of this number for us. So clear. The first group is from the combination 7 math probability or PRB, option 3, and selecting 3 from the teacher group, multiplied by the quantity combination that we're selecting 9 math prop PRB, option 3 from selecting 4 from the group of the 9, and hit enter. So we get the total possible ways as 4,410. So this is gonna be possible different committees.